employee example, observe very carefully. Ravi worked under a strict boss. His boss is very strict. Of course, it's very common, right? Ravi worked under strict boss. Every day, the boss corrected his reports harshly. Okay, he's preparing some reports. He's always correcting the reports with a red pen. Hey, why you did this, minimum, you don't know the sense. Like, he's always giving left or right with the red marks, reports. He's correcting, red marks. Ravi started hating him. Ravi started hating me. Yeah, he's always identify mistakes. He's always identify the mistakes. You know, my boss is a very worst, short-tempered person like that. Ravi is always feeling in this style. During a training, Ravi learned about needs. Okay, Ravi learned about needs. He attended Tony Robbins or Durga Sir training. He learned about human needs. I told right, 6 needs. Every human needs. Every human always requires 6 needs. So every time the need should be among any of these. Okay, Ravi during training Ravi learned about needs. Okay, he realized his boss valued for certainty and perfection. Certainty and perfection. His boss is always expecting certainty and perfection. Okay, safety must be required because okay, these reports we are going to deliver to the client. Then the client should not blame. Compulsory we should be safe. Okay, like his always expectation is always certainty. Okay, not having any enemies with Ravi. He's taking care for the certainty, for safety sake. And automatically, so next week, he sent neatly reviewed the reports and explained progress in advance. Okay, he realized that client may be stuck or client may require to maybe safety issue or otherwise client may be impacted. Like his boss internal intention, he understood. Then automatically to meet his expectation, he only changed. He prepared and then again reviewed. And after reviewed, the correct reports will be sent to the boss for the review. The boss tone softened. The boss tone got changed from very harsh to softened. He even said, "Good work, Ravi. Good work, Ravi." Ravi smiled. Good work, Ravi. Ravi smiled. The boss had not changed. His understanding had. Remember this one. The boss not changed. Who changed here? Ravi. Ravi got changed. Ravi understanding what is his internal intention. So, if any person shouting, if any person, don't hate them. So I told right, feelings are teachers. Feelings are teachers. He's shouting, he's showing angriness. Legend. What is his internal intention? What message is he trying to convey? Why that person is shouting that much? What is his internal intention? So among these 6 needs, one need is going to be matched. Identify that and try to fulfill. Highly recommended in the human relationships. Reignite your relationships. Beautiful concept.